Hi guys, C. Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to a special live stream, which is a Guru Pournima special live stream. How all, how are you all doing? I received so many wishes on my email, on Instagram, on so many other Facebook, on many social media platforms. So I thought that I should do a quick live stream. Uh, and of course I've jotted few points as well, which I would definitely love to share with you on this occasion of Guru Purnima. uh, Varun says best ever motivation during lockdown is listening to you. Thanks for sharing all your knowledge, ma'am. Thank you, Varun. uh, so I'll just so Raghavendra, Pratap, Kiran, Anirban, Tarana, Satya Kumar, Rajendra, Varun, and Karthik, Ganesh, R. Kesavan, Vijay Kumar. So, hello and thank you everyone for the great wishes. मैडम आप अपना आशीर्वाद हम स्टूडेंट्स पे बनाए रखें is what Bhupendra says. Yes, yes, why not? Travel story, yes, thank you. Pratap says, can you please make an Excel sheet with all the stocks you did analysis? Oh my God, Pratap, did you read my mind? Interesting. And this is what was one of the things I was going to share with you today, about the analysis of whatever I have. Uh, I can't say as a stock recommendation for sure, but I can say that the videos, the stocks which I've covered through my videos, especially for the members, I'm definitely going to share you how these stocks have performed, because I have always believed that whenever you do good level of analysis, then your analysis for sure is going to pay off in the longer run. Okay, so I have three things on my agenda today. So I will start off with the very first thing, which was my. Oh, I have two super chats as well. Or what? Okay, I'll quickly take these super chats and then I'll start with my three-point agenda, which I had taken for today. The very first one is by Krishna Reddy. Krishna says, "Ma'am, will market sustain or will it test 8,500 again?" I don't think market will go to 8,500 in the immediate future, like in say a week or so. I feel that even right now market seems to be. I mean, I feel that market should be above 10,000 level in the coming week, in this week again, because there is no big bad news which is, I mean, around the corner as of now. But I don't think it will go back to 8,500 level in a very short span of time. If it were to happen, I feel maybe after Q1 results, thoda bahut correction, a minor correction after Q1 results, and maybe then if it balls up with more and more of bad news, then yes, it may happen. But I don't think 8,500 would be tested in the near future. Okay. Madhav Pangarkar says, Happy Guru Pournima. Thanks for everything, our market guru. Thank you, Madhav, and all the best. Arpit Agarwal says, thanks, ma'am. Earned 50,000 in a month in stocks. Oh my God. Great, Arpit. Good to hear that. And I hope that whatever you have earned, Arpit, is based on pure analysis. Luck is required in stock market. Yes, I always believe that it's all about 99% hard work, 99% analysis, and 1% luck. And I hope whatever you have earned is with 99 or 99.9% of analysis. Okay, because stronger your analysis, stronger are your chances of having good trades, right? Uh, People are also asking, how are you feeling? I'm feeling ekdam okay now. Feeling 100% better, touchwood. It's all because of your good wishes that I recovered so quickly. So yes, thanks a lot. Sudarshan says, ITC good to buy now or wait for 180? Sudarshan, thanks for the super chat, but actually the 3-point agenda which I had taken for today's session, one out of that was ITC. For a simple reason, yesterday I released the video on ITC, but while shooting, sometimes it happens that you are in a flow of shooting, and towards the last session, which is the conclusion, I forgot to shoot my final opinion on ITC, whether I would go ahead and buy it or not. So I was going to talk about that in the live stream, which I was going to do tomorrow, but then I thought, why not cover it today itself? Okay. For those who have watched my video on ITC, great. If you have not watched it, please check out my video on ITC, which I have released yesterday itself. Okay. Well, if you were to ask whether ITC is a good buy right now or not, I have recommended the same thing, that Monday it will go ex dividend. Okay. I would have not purchased it for sure before Monday. I mean, when they declared dividend, the stock quickly ran up from 195 to 205. Okay, it was a dividend yield of 5%. Please understand this. Everyone, please pay attention. 5% dividend yield is not a great thing. Okay, if you're in 30% tax bracket, which I am, okay, so which many of you may be. So if you are in the 30% tax bracket, 5% dividend yield is what? 5% ka 30%, which is 1.5%. So effectively, you get only 3.5%. So there is no, I mean, I don't think it's a good one to invest in ITC to get dividend. Okay, makes no sense getting a dividend yield of 5%. Okay, but then does it make sense to invest in the stock post dividend, ex dividend? Would I invest? My answer is yes. I would definitely go in for this stock. Again, this is my analysis, right? Understand this. I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so I would not be telling you that yes, you go ahead and buy it. I have never ever said this in any of my videos. I just say that what would my position be based on my analysis, right? So going back one more time is that the very first thing, 195 or maybe somewhere between, even if you're getting it at 180, great. You can definitely go in for that stock at, I mean, again, based on your analysis, but 180 can be a good level. The stock has jumped from, if I'm not mistaken, around 150 levels. It had gone down around 150 levels and it jumped so quickly to 200 plus levels. Okay, so as usual, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. But yes, I feel that when the share goes ex dividend, that's where your first 1/5 installment may go, if your analysis also gives a thumbs up for ITC. Okay, so I had not covered this small part in yesterday's video, so I thought that I should be covering it in today's video. Okay, so that was my very first thing. Second thing which I wanted to tell you is something totally different. It's a personal thing which happened. I have bought a new house in which I moved in just before lockdown, just 2 weeks before the lockdown I moved in, and I've been making videos in this home. By now many of you know few locations, like this is my bedroom from where I'm making I'm doing the live stream. For the 6 a.m. club, you might have seen my dining area as well, right? So this home, when I bought, we had taken a home loan from SBI. Okay, everyone understand this. Everyone please pay attention. This is a very important point from your personal finance angle. Okay, we had taken a home loan from SBI, and SBI says that a home insurance, okay, you have to buy a property insurance. That is what they call property insurance, is mandatory if you are buying a home loan. Okay, so what does this mean? Why a property insurance is required? So just as an example, if Mr. X, I will not take my example obviously. Okay, if Mr. X buys a house, Mr. X is paying the home loan, and something happens. Okay, let's say some natural calamity, maybe some riot. Okay, because of which the home is damaged. Okay, please pay attention. The home is damaged. Now what happens? Am I freed from paying the loan installment because my home is damaged? Any answers? I will wait for this. Do you think that if Mr. X, who had bought a house, I'm repeating, everyone pay attention, if Mr. X had bought a house and that house gets completely damaged because of some riot, is he freed from paying the loan installments? Is he freed from paying the loan installments to the bank? I want an answer in yes or no. What do you feel? No. Prasod says yes, but loads of no's. Yes. So many no's. And the correct answer is no. Okay, please understand this. We are not freed. I'm repeating, we are not freed from paying the loan installment. We have to pay the loan installment. Now you can imagine something like this. Mr. X is in such a bad scenario. Mr. X now doesn't have a house because of the riot. Okay. Number two, still he has to pay the he has to pay the loan installment. And number three, he still now he doesn't have a house to live in, and that is why he is in need of a new house, for which he will have to again go ahead for a home loan. Now that's such a bad thing that will happen. Okay. And that is the reason why it is made mandatory by all the banks, majority of the banks I may say, for whenever they give a home loan, they say property insurance is must, and then only we will give you a home loan. I hope the logic is clear. Okay. On this Guru Pournima occasion, I'm telling you something about property insurance, which I have never ever discussed on my channel. Okay. First time I'm discussing this on my channel, and what a time to tell this on the channel. First time we have crossed 3,000 live concurrent viewers. Woo! Very nice. Thank you. Thank you to all for joining this live stream on such a short notice. This is the first time that our channel has hit 3,000 plus concurrent viewers. And now that we have so many, but that likes ratio to viewers is bothering me. 3,000 concurrent viewers and 300 likes. Not a very heart-touching ratio. So if you want, you can also hit that like button if you are liking this live stream. Okay. So going back to our discussion, I hope you have understood what is the reason for property insurance. Okay. Now, okay, all said and done. Good. Property insurance done. Fair enough. We had also taken a property insurance, which was obviously mandatory. My husband the other day was checking the home loan statement. Okay. My husband is exactly opposite as compared to me. He loves to check all the statements, bank statements, home loan statements. He also calculates the rate of interest, whether bank has properly charged me interest or not. He would also go to the extent of checking saving account interest. Okay. So, but believe it or not, because of this habit, I may say, he was able to understand in the day he checked it, he found out that we have been debited with property insurance twice. Okay. Once the amount was debited when we took the home loan, which was like 6 months ago, and one property insurance has been again debited this month. Okay. So 2 times property insurance amount has been debited, and guys, believe it or not, the property insurance amount is more than 30,000 rupees. It's a huge amount. Okay. And this 30,000 amount was debited for the second time, and now it's on us. We have to tell them, "Arey, reverse this." So we have to go. I mean, this was not expected from any bank. I mean, why? How could they debit the property insurance for the second time? So guys, please check. Everyone, I request everyone to check this. This is a personal advice from me. Small piece of advice from me, that if you have taken a home loan from any bank, please check whether property insurance they are debiting only once and not twice. Okay. I'll also tell you that it is a one-time premium. Okay. It's not a monthly premium or a half biannually premium or something that what we have opted for. Okay. So everyone, please check your bank state. Yeah, exactly. Pushkar says it. Asa kasa kai. I hope everyone is aware about that Marathi term now. Get to know a little bit of Marathi more. Home loan, property insurance debited twice. Asa kasa kai. This should not have happened. Okay. So yeah, people are saying asa kasa kai, right? So how did this happen, man? It's great that we checked it. So I guess this is a inbuilt thing which comes in for chartered accountants. My husband is also a chartered accountant, and so that auditor role comes from within. Okay. So everyone, please check this. And I'm sure this will definitely benefit you if just in case that happens. Okay, Satish says, "Oh, thanks, I'm about to take a home loan." So Satish, keep this in mind, okay, whenever you're taking a home loan. Great. Before I go on to answer, so many people are saying, "Asa kasa kai." Right, okay. So before I go on to the super chats, I would love to show you something, my Excel sheet. Someone had also requested for the Excel sheet that, could you please show us the status of whatever stocks we covered on YouTube. I've not done this compilation for all the videos, all the YouTube videos, but I did this for my pro investor videos. Okay, so till date I have discussed 5 stocks for my pro investors. Okay, and all these 5 stocks I've written on what day I released that video for the pro investors. Okay, and what is the price of that stock today. Okay, so I'm just quickly going to show this to you. The very first thing, before I show this to you, what is the reason of showing this Excel sheet is very important, I feel so. Number one, I absolutely don't want to show you, see how my analysis, I mean, how my tips are paying off. No, everyone knows me. I hope everyone who is my subscriber now very much knows me. I never am of the opinion that see how my tips are working. I have never ever used that word also on my channel. Tips is what I hate. Analysis is what I've always used on my channel. And I think I owe this small analysis part, or maybe this entire analysis, I would definitely say this, that a big thank you to my husband as well. I mean, sometimes I really feel that a big role why I am in front of you right now is because of my husband. I had shared this in my 6 a.m. live stream as well, if I'm not mistaken. Those who are my 6 a.m. club members know this. Someone had asked me during my 6 a.m. live stream how I entered into stock market. And I told this once on my channel, but definitely I'm just quickly repeating this, that my husband was the first one who started investing in stock market when we were students, when we were in CA, when we just cleared CA intermediate. And whenever we used to meet, everyone, other couples, I may say other couples talk about, oh, the weather is so cute, so nice, the moon is so nice, and whatnot. And my husband used to be like, did you watch this stock? It's amazing. Check out its balance sheet, check out its P&L. Okay, so I used to be like, why does he talk always about stock market? I used to get highly irritated because of that. But at one point of time, I felt that either I have to fall in love with stock market or I have to change. Okay, anyways, so I chose the other option. I started falling in love with stock markets. We started discussing. Yes, Sam, you're right. So yeah, for me, it was a love marriage for us, and stock market was the thread which connected us. I may say so. And yes, I can say that I've learned a lot of analysis from my husband. Akshay, I have done a lot. I guess your quota is complete. Okay, I have never ever praised my husband so much, Akshay. So this is it. I'm stopping praising. Otherwise, sar pe baith jata hai mere. Okay. Anyways, so yes, the reason why I'm showing this stock Excel sheet to you is just for you to tell you the power of analysis, power of fundamental analysis. So many people say that, Nikhil says stock market love story. Okay, yes. So, Bhanu. Okay, wait. Listen. So, many people talk about technical analysis. Very few people talk about the power of fundamental analysis. So, this Excel sheet is just to show you the power of fundamental analysis, how stocks can really perform if you have done a thorough analysis of stocks. Okay, so all those who have already taken my pro investor membership, this was the date on which I have released the videos. I hope this is visible to everyone. I'm not sure let me just check 1 minute. Right. So these were the 5 stocks that I have recommended. Not recommended is not the correct word. I can again say these are the 5 analysis that I put up for my pro investors till date. Some pro investors were complaining that, ma'am, you are telling the names of the stocks which you have told us. Then what is the benefit of taking pro investor membership? I personally feel that understanding the analysis behind that is important. So pro investors, don't say that why are you disclosing the names. The analysis, the video which discusses the analysis is very important. Okay, so don't crib about this that I am disclosing the names. Be happy that you know the analysis, the thought process behind which we selected this company. Okay, so Britannia was trading at 3136, right? And today's price for Britannia is 3583. How much is the profit? it's 402 rupees profit. How much is the percentage return? 13% return. By the way, this was released in February. Today we are in July. Okay, and everything is on YouTube. You can check the release dates, everything. Okay, now this is a 13% return. If I take it as an annualized return, it will be 33% annualized return. Okay, second stock which we had recommended, on which we had made a video was IOCL. The price on which we did this video was 90. Today the price is at 88 rupees. Okay, all prices are as on Friday. Okay, so this stock is at a loss of minus 2 rupees. Percentage return is minus 2% return, and annualized return 6% lost. Okay, so this stock did not perform, but of course fundamental analysis, I always tell, it's from a time frame of at least 1 year. Okay, so let's see how does it perform till next March, right? MGL, Mahanagar Gas, 947 when we released the video. 3rd July price 1071, profit 124, percentage return 13%, and annualized return again 63%. Now you may say, ma'am, here also 13%, here also 13%. How come the annualized return is different? Simple reason, the release date is different. Okay, Whirlpool, we had discussed this video in May. 1855 was the date on which we released it. So Friday's closing price 2157, profit 302 rupees, percentage return 16%, and annualized return 124%. Polycab, which was the latest video which we did for pro investor members, 845 is the price on 3rd July, and profit is 87, percentage returns 11% returns. And so this is just year to date. I mean the day which we released the video till date. Okay, and annualized return is huge because we had released this video not even 1 month ago, and it's already an 11% return. Okay, so I feel so happy that had anyone invested only one share of whatever I had recommended, again using the bad word recommended, I had discussed is the correct word, during my pro investor videos, even one share had you purchased, this would have been your return, 913 rupees return. Okay, and this is an absolute return that I'm talking about. Okay, 913 rupees of absolute return, and see, this is the percentage return is very amazing. Okay, so why do such an Excel sheet calculation? Everyone should check that whatever videos, I personally feel, if I'm discussing a video, I should check that whether that stock is performing well or not. Because I feel that whenever I discuss any video, there are so many people who would check that video out, would check out that stock, and I feel very happy that that definitely it is all going well. So just feeling happy, just thought of sharing this with you. Pushkar says share prices went up because of your analysis. No, Pushkar, not at all. It's just, again I'm repeating, just feels nice that fundamental analysis works. This is the underlining point. People say balance sheet, P&L, cash flow, nothing works. Yes, this is a proof for you that if you do fundamental analysis really well, it does work. For sure it does work. Okay, 1 or 2 stocks may not perform. That's how you have to smartly allocate in various stocks, right? Neeraj says I bought all of these and booked great profit. However, Britannia is still in my portfolio. Britannia is still in even my portfolio. Okay, Britannia and Polycab is still in my portfolio. Out of these others, I booked profit. Okay, so just wanted to share this sheet with everyone, and again a message that you can definitely invest in knowledge that is going to pay you off in the longer run. Okay, so everyone, if you have still not checked out my fundamental analysis lecture series, you can watch it on my website. You can just check out my website, rachanaranade.com. That's my website. We still have the coupon code Janta Curfew, which is still on to get some discount. Okay, right. So these were the 3 updates that I had to give. Oh my god, 4,000 viewers. Amazing. First time we hit 3,000, first time we hit 4,000. Nice. Okay, I'll quickly answer the super chats. I was done till Arpit, I guess. Yes. Sudarshan also I answered. Shri Vignesh. Ma'am, what happened to small case video? Please do soon. Yes, Shri Vignesh, noted. I will take it. Actually, July calendar is done. So, again, I will tell this to you. Okay, Pratik has put in the stream. Pratik has put the YouTube, the channel. Oh my God, my website link. Okay, right. The July calendar is already done. Let me see if I can put this in my July calendar. I can just edit my July calendar somewhere. Definitely. Oh, someone is saying check the likes. Pratap says, oh my God, 1,600 likes. Thank you, people. Thanks a lot. Feels good. 1,600 likes. Why not? Okay. Praful Kadav says, when SEBI probes why share goes down like Alok. When SEBI feels that something may go wrong, SEBI comes into picture, and if there is a foul play, okay, if something is going wrong, then the sentiment changes. Okay, people start feeling doubtful about the stock. Okay, daya kuch to gadbade feeling aana start ho jata hai, and that is where the sentiment may turn from positive to negative. Okay, SEBI coming into picture is never taken as a positive sign. Okay, SEBI is coming in, SEBI is doing the inspection, means SEBI feels something might have gone wrong. Okay, so that is where maybe that is one of the major reasons why Alok did not do well for past 3-4 days. Okay, Kailash, thanks for the super chat. Guru Dakshina, bless you, bless everyone, not only those who are giving super chats. So I don't think I am that big enough to give you a blessing, but I will definitely pray for everyone, and I'll pray to God that everyone does well and achieves whatever you are really wishing for. But for that, I feel 99% hard work, 99% analysis, and that 1% luck from God, right? Saidut, thanks for the super chat. Ma'am, I'm doing your FA and TA course from 5 days, completed 10 lectures. Great. I noticed you are drinking water many times in standing. It is very bad for your health. Oh, it develops gas and many stomach and kidney problems. Please try to drink water by sitting. Request. So sweet. Thank you, Saidut. I will definitely take this as a suggestion, and I will make it a point that next time I drink water, I'll definitely remember your super chat, and I will drink water in the sitting position only. Thanks a lot. Okay. Umed, Anjum, your thoughts on Ashok Leyland and Alok Industries. Ashok Leyland I have not tracked recently, but Alok Industries is a stock which, if you have seen one of my previous streams, I had told that I feel that not more than 50 should be what I am looking for at Alok Industries in the shorter time frame, and it went up to, I guess, 53 or 54 rupees, after which it has started showing a reversal. Okay, so let's see what is the outcome of the SEBI probe, and then maybe now jumping into Alok Industries then makes sense after the SEBI probe. Okay. By the way, welcome to all the new members. Dips, happy Guru Pournima to you. You are the most amazing teacher, and whatever little I know about the amazing world of stock market is all credit to you. Koti koti pranam. Thanks a lot, Dips. And I've been asking your real name in so many live streams, but you just refuse to tell your real name. Okay, your choice. But thanks a lot. Feels good to get so many great wishes. Okay. Funny says, ma'am, Alok Industries lower circuit. What is the future of Alok? It depends on the SEBI probe. That's what I told right now. Okay. Your opinion on Bharat immunologicals? Not checked. Rohit Gupta, your view on future retail, please. Rohit, future retail could be considered as a party stock. Okay, I'm repeating, future retail could be considered as one of your party stocks now. Reliance may invest. There's a very strong news that Reliance may invest in future retail, and it is said strongly that they may complete this before 15th of July. So yeah, party stock ke liye, that can be your next candidate. Okay. Where to find forward PE of stocks, how to calculate target price. Okay, Sayantan Paul, you can find the forward PE of stocks on Yahoo Finance. Okay, I had done a Chai Pe Charcha 7 p.m. live stream. Okay, you can search this I had done a separate live stream on PE on Chai Pe Charcha, and in that I had showed how to check it out on Yahoo Finance. Okay, so just go onto the website of Yahoo Finance, search for any stock where you can see all the data. And target price can be calculated using various valuation methods. It could be EV EBITDA, it could be PE, PB, and price to sales. So many ways to find out the target price. Okay. Ma'am, what's your opinion in merger of TV18? Actually, TV18 I've not studied so much. So yeah, I know there is a lot of buzz about TV18 merger, but I've not studied that merger so much in detail right now. So wouldn't want to comment on that. Right. Akshat Kumar Shetty says, Happy Guru Pournima, ma'am. Thank you, Akshat. May God bless you. Did I miss out a question? Okay. Ramesh says, opinion on future retail. Do you think it will go up if someone like Reliance or Premji invests or Samara buys it? Yeah, exactly, Ramesh. I guess I answered just some time ago. It can be considered as a party stock. If it does, it will go well. Okay, but depends on who buys it at what price. Really, does this get completed or not? So many ifs and buts. So a small fund can be allocated for that. Okay, ma'am, kindly analyze BASF India for monthly videos. BASF India. Okay, I have not analyzed it till date, but we'll consider it. BASF India. All right. Yashwani, ma'am, please make a video on exit strategy or cover it in some live session. Okay, that's an interesting one, because that's where I guess many people fail to understand what should be the exit strategy. I'll tell you, for fundamental analysis, exit strategy is very simple. If it hits your target price, khatam, that's your exit. For technical analysis, exit price differs, and I have taught this exit strategy, Yash, in my technical analysis lecture series. Again, everyone, those who feel that you would want to learn more and more in a systematic manner, I do give a lot of free knowledge on YouTube, but if you want to learn it in a sequential manner, in a systematic manner, a little bit more in depth, then yes, definitely my technical analysis lecture series can also help you out for the exit strategy. Okay, so as I mentioned, for fundamental analysis, you hit the target price, that's where you achieve your exit point, and for technical analysis, it depends on a lot of factors. Okay, so yeah, definitely you can just visit my website and check out my technical analysis lecture series. Sudarshan says, thanks, ma'am. What's current party share after idea? Yeah, Sudarshan, I just told about future retail. Okay. How's your analysis on Shriram City Union? Okay, Sai, that's most probably one of my shortlisted videos for the pro investor in the coming month. So if you're a pro investor, Sai, then there are great chances that you might get an analysis on the same stock. I filtered 3 stocks through the analysis, but yes, one of them is Shriram City Union. Okay. What's your opinion on Lloyd Steel? Not checked, so can't comment. Parikshit Pai says, Guru Pournima wishes, ma'am. Thank you for the videos. Thank you, Parikshit. Thanks for the wishes. Difference between bonds versus debentures? They are almost the same, Sai Krishna. You may see some theoretical difference between bonds and debentures, but I'll tell you, practically it's the same. Okay, it's like there is okay. So to tell you, there is also a difference between stocks and shares. So stock market, share market. If you go into theoretical points, then yes, there are some small points for stock market or share market. What is correct? But it hardly matters. I mean, otherwise it's the same. Practically doesn't make a lot of difference. Okay, so it's the same. You can say that. Birla Tyre, any suggestion? Birla Tyre is what many people are again checking. I have not checked the fundamentals, so no suggestions on. I mean, no, can't say anything about Birla Tyres. Ma'am, any video on valuation methods of stocks? Pratyay, I have covered EV EBITDA valuation model in my fundamental analysis lecture series. I've also shared an Excel sheet about how you can calculate the target price using EV EBITDA valuation during my fundamental analysis lecture series. But let's see, maybe I'll cover 1 or 2 valuation methods in my YouTube videos as well. Okay. Ma'am, please tell us about Rosary Biotech IPO. Okay, when it's prospectus, I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether it's IPO. It's prospectus. RHP is out or not. If yes, whenever it's RHP is out, we will be making a video on that as well. Okay. Dr. Niket Patel says all coal India, etc. companies are down. Right time to invest. I don't think so, Niket Patel. I won't go with a company like Coal India right now. Simple reason. Again, fundamental analysis. Why did it go down? If you have read the news, then this sector was opened up for private players as well, and very important that these companies, like Coal India, they face a lot of environmental issues also, and more of environmental issues start coming up. It impacts the stock prices. So I prefer to stay away from such companies. There are many more options available in the market. I would not be a big fan, and I would not jump into Coal India right now. Vasant, thank you for the super chat. You didn't ask any question. Okay. Ramchandra, RCF, good to buy now. RCF is fundamentally again a good company. To buy now or not, I'm not sure. I've not checked it. Not checked the latest news. Jay says, would we get ITC dividend if we buy tomorrow? No, Jay, you would not get dividend if you buy tomorrow. The price goes ex dividend tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow you will get the stock at a lower price. So you can try for an capital appreciation rather than dividend. Right. Rakesh says, ma'am, how value investing to be understood? Any plan to make video on that? I feel value investing goes very close to fundamental analysis again, Rakesh, because what is value investing? Trying to find out undervalued stocks. Okay. So it's very famously said that price is what you pay and value is what you get. I'll repeat. It's said in one of the very good books. I don't remember which book. I don't remember where I've read it, but price is what you pay and value is what you get. So fundamental analysis actually focuses on that. Pick up stocks which are at a very good value right now. That's how you choose stocks, okay? And that's how they give good returns. So I don't think value investing is a totally different subject. It's a part and parcel of fundamental analysis is what I believe in, right? Ashwin says, what does negative debt to equity ratio and high ROE mean? Okay, negative debt to equity ratio means that basically there's a great chance that their equity is in negative. Now you may say, how come equity is in negative? So their reserves and surplus are in negative. In simple words, company is making huge losses. Okay, that is why their equity has gone into negative. Okay, so equity is not to be taken only as share capital. It's equity plus reserves, right? So that is how the debt to equity ratio can go negative. I would totally avoid a company which is having a negative debt to equity ratio. Okay, and high return on equity means that the company, the promoters are getting a good return on equity. Equity again is what? It's your initial investment in the company. So in simple words, if I start a company with 100 rupees, okay, that's my equity, and I get 10 rupees as a return. So my ROE is 10%, right? As simple as this. Again, I've made a separate video on ROE, ROCE in my Chai Pe Charcha. So you can check that out as well. 7 p.m. live streams during the lockdown. Okay, Ashu, thanks for the super chat, ma'am. I've created a portfolio of around 15 lakhs in course of last few years. Do you think I should hold or sell it based on current situation like India, China, or say Corona? What's your take? If many of your stocks are in profit, I may say that yes, booking partial profits definitely makes sense right now. Market is almost at 4 months high right now. Okay, it's at a very good point right now. I really don't think that it will cross 11,000. So if you are having good profits, I mean, if I had a portfolio of that amount, I would have booked like at least 70-80%. I would have cleared off. Maybe 10-20% I feel, which is like for a really long term, or which I feel that yes, still my price is yet to come, I would have held it. But yeah, 70% at least I would have booked out and I would have quit. Okay, Dhavnish says, due to bad experience of others, I was not investing in stock market for a long time, but because of your courses and teaching, now I'm a proud investor of stock market. Small Guru Dakshina, ma'am. Bless you and your family. Thanks a lot, Dhavnish. I feel that you all are my gurus as well. I have mentioned that in my Insta post today. If you're not following my Insta channel, definitely you can check out my Insta channel as well. I don't post anything about stock market. I mean, I don't post a lot about stock market on my Insta channel. It's more about my personal side as Rachna as an individual rather than Rachna the stock market person. So I believe that the first guru is your mother, then your father, your siblings become your gurus. You keep on imitating your siblings. Then your school teachers, your college teachers, they become your gurus. At one point of time, when you qualify, your bosses become your gurus. And I personally feel that my students are my gurus as well. My colleagues are my gurus as well, because I don't think that guru is someone who has to be older than you in age, or guru need not be someone who is higher in hierarchy than you. Okay, I feel guru is someone whom I feel I have a lot to learn from, and I would be really, I would really be eager to learn from that person. So that person could be my junior, that person could be my student, that person could be my YouTube subscriber, right? So that should be our attitude. That's how we can learn. I feel there's so much to learn from you all as well, and just try to bring in the best version of me. So anyways, thanks a lot, Davnish, for the super chat. I guess, guys, stop super chat. I won't be able to take all super chats. I will be continuing for max 5 minutes maximum. Okay. Kunal says, your view on Tata Steel. Thanks. Happy Guru Pournima. Tata Steel, it was in my portfolio long time ago, and I have booked a loss in that stock. So I have not tracked that stock after that. Okay. So yeah, can't comment on Tata Steel. Dinesh, your opinion about Subros and Phenolics. Oh my God, kahan se la rahe ho aap ye? Subros, not checked it out. Phenolics is fundamentally a good company. That can be on your radar. It's definitely a good company for sure. Fundamentally, okay. Yvonne Pereira says, did some TA on ITC shows. Sorry. Okay. Did I miss out? Oh yes, I guess I missed out some chats. Okay, did some TA on ITC shows buying? Please elaborate. Yeah, that's what I said. Na ITC, I feel so. The chart might show something different tomorrow because it will go ex-dividend. But as I mentioned, I would go ahead with my first 1/5 in ITC for sure. Borosil price is decreasing. Should we hold or sell? Depends on your buying price, Sam. Sampurna, sorry. So check out at what price you have bought. Check out also how the trend is shown. If it is in a downward trend, you may consider selling it. But I have not checked the chart of Borosil technically. Okay. NHPC fundamentally good. NHPC again, I had bought it in IPO, but that stock, to what I remember, doesn't move a lot. It's a very slow moving stock. NHPC is what I remember. But we'll consider for that as a fundamental analysis in the coming future. Okay. CARR student, woo, loved your profile name. I don't know what is your real name, but CARR student, I loved your profile name. Thanks for the super chat. Aarti says, hi Guruji, my 7-year-old son likes you so much. So sweet. And gets excited when I start your videos or live sessions. Can you just say hi? He also likes share market. Ooh, hi Ritvik. I'm glad that you are so young and you like stock market. Learn a lot and love you. Okay, loads of blessings to you, Ritvik. Okay, Shrikant, why only one valuation model is in fundamental analysis? Okay, because valuation is a part and parcel of fundamental analysis. Okay, valuation is not equal to fundamental analysis. Valuation is a whole lot of different thing. Valuation is so big that there could be a separate series on valuation, at least a mini series on valuation. But that can be a good thought, Shrikant. I may come up with a different series, a mini series at least on valuation, a mini course on valuation model. Okay, so this was just in fundamental analysis. This was just to give you a glimpse of how valuation works. Right. HUL had negative debt to equity ratio and high ROE before 1 month. No, I don't think so. No, you might have checked 1 minute. I don't think HUL will be having a negative debt to equity ratio. I remember seeing its fundamentals. You might have misinterpreted it maybe. Even I will check it out, but I don't think so. Okay, let me share it to you on the screen. We can immediately check it out because that's a big one. Let's say I'll just quickly check it on money control only. I'm checking out HUL, Hindustan Unilever. Okay, I go to financials, and always remember, stay with consolidated and not on standalone. Okay, standalone and balance sheet. See, balance sheet here, March 2020. I hope this is visible on your screen. I'm also zooming it in. So here, Hindustan Unilever, share, its equity and capital reserves is 8,013 and share capital is only 216. How can the debt equity ratio be negative? It's not. Okay, I missed a heartbeat for a second. I hope I solved your query. It is not at all a negative debt to equity ratio. Okay, fair enough. Okay, so Ashwin, I hope I cleared your doubt. Yash Wani says, thanks ma'am for the explanation. Please host a meet and greet post lockdown. Good luck la bhetu sagde. Happy Guru Pournima. Nakki Yash. We will meet post lockdown. Hope this ends soon, which is hoping against the hope. But yeah, we will be having a lot of meetups. I'm eager to meet you all in your own city. Okay, so we will be doing that. Oh my God, it's already 9. I'll just quickly go through it. Advanced enzymes, strong fundamentals, and Adani ports. Not tracked these two stocks lately, so Aditya won't comment on that. Ashu says, thank you, Ashu. Ajit, padke? Marchi loko tumi padke. After 3 months of investing, my shares are now at profit of 25%. Should I hold or sell? Ajit, जर प्रॉफिट असेल 25%, तर माझं असं मत असेल की एकदा तुम्ही त्याच्यात एक प्रॉफिट बुक करू शकता, कारण आय फील दॅट 25% इज अ डिसेंट इनफ रिटर्न. यू नेवर नो how the market could get impacted. Doesn't mean that you should completely remove all the stocks from your portfolio, but yes, you can definitely book some profit if you are having such a good profit. Okay, Santosh says, circuit stocks are what exact time to order, 9 a.m. or AMO? Circuit stocks, I feel AMO is a better deal to go ahead with. Okay, Ciara student again. Yeah, I guess I took your chat. Gokul Krishnan, ma'am, what is your take on L&T at present market? L&T, all-time favorite. Go ahead with it the moment you see a dip in it. Okay, how about IOC for long term? I definitely feel it's a good one for long term. That is why I covered it in my pro investor video. Pandurang says, happy Guru Pournima. Dhanyavad Pandurang, thanks a lot. Thanks your opinion about Just Dial. Just Dial. Not checked it. I'll have to check Just Dial. There are so many stock suggestions. Just Dial. Okay. McDowell's United Spirits targets, if any. Not checked out on the targets front. You can check it using the EV EBITDA valuation if you want. I'm just quickly wrapping up the super chats, guys. I need to wrap it up. It's already 9. Is stock market going to crash again? Parthiv, I feel yes, but not immediately is what still I feel. Not in a week or two. I don't feel so. Ma'am, your take on IRCTC. Overvalued. IRCTC, I don't think it's like overvalued right now. But yes, in fact, the day in one of the live streams, someone had told IRCTC was showing very, very positive buy signal on the technical analysis front, and that is where I have invested my 1/5 of IRCTC. It has gone down by almost 10% since we bought, but it is right now in the downward trend. I would just wait for the downward trend to reverse. That is where I would invest my second slot of 1/5 in IRCTC. Okay, happy Guru Pournima, says Ajitesh. Yeah, thank you. I guess. Yeah, I hope I've covered all the super chats. I would quickly want to welcome all the members because it's the Guru Pournima special. So I thought quickly I will welcome all the members as well. Sandesh Raghavendra Krishna. Sandesh Raghavendra. Then Deepraj, Palanki, Nitesh, Vinayak, Krishnam, Manish, Chinmay, Vinayak, Anurag. Vinayak upgraded the membership, okay. Jay, Gurumurthy, Muhammad, Yallappa, Shinu, Siddhi, Ranade. Yeah, welcome. Okay. Mandar, Pranay, Surenthar, Vatan, Dr. Rashmi, Jagan, Shrikant, Hari, Shri Kumar, Nilesh, Tejas, Parthiv, Anjali, Yuvraj, Prakash, Ankur, Kiran, Hari, Sumit, Badri, Rahul, Dinesh, Vasant, Raj, Kiran, Chaitra, Nawaz, Raj, Arjun, Deshwasi, Naveen, Raj Kiran. Oh my God, so many people. Thanks a lot, guys. Then Dr. Ravindra, Raj Nadaf, Suri Setti, Thomas, Vijay, Siddhesh, Raghuram. I hope it's not Raghuram Rajana, and Pranav. Well, welcome to memberships, and I'm happy that you are investing in knowledge. So, welcome to everyone is in the CRR family. Everyone is, but a special welcome for members, newly joined members. Okay, I guess 2 more super chats. People. Nagarju says, I took 300 shares of Just Dial and 50 shares on this and announced a buyback and mentioned blah blah blah. Will I be eligible for buyback? Nagarjuna, I've really not checked out Just Dial. I need to check. Record date mentioned is 3/7, na? For the 2nd July, you should be eligible for the buyback. Okay? But the 50 shares that you bought on 3rd, okay, 300 shares on Just Dial on 2nd and 50 shares on 3rd, and it announced buyback and mentioned record date on 3rd. So you will be eligible for buyback for the first 300 shares, not on the 3rd. Okay, whatever 50 shares you bought on the 3rd, you will not be eligible for that. It is T+2, so the T+1 goes into your broker's pool account. So have a word with your broker. You will be eligible for the first 300 shares though. Okay, why Airtel increased a lot on Friday? Same going forward. Airtel seems to be promising. It is on my radar. Again, there is news that foreign investment might come in for Airtel as well. What is the risk of intraday shorting ITC tomorrow? Oops, I don't think you should be shorting ITC tomorrow. Check out the charts. If you want to do an intraday, always check out the 5-minute and 15-minute chart. Okay, that's where you can take a decision of shorting. Okay, I guess I'd welcomed till Raj and few more people joining in. Suri Setti, Thomas, Vijay, Siddesh, Raghuram Rajan I'd done till then, and Pranav and Govindraj. Yes, welcome. So great, it was a great stream. Oh my God, I did almost for 1 hour live stream. Nice, felt great. This is the first time that we were almost 4,000 plus people in the live stream, and oh my God, 2.4 thousand likes. Thanks a lot. That's a record number of members joining in as well. 57 members joining in the memberships. So feels good. My best wishes to everyone. Stay healthy, stay safe, invest in knowledge, increase your knowledge, and definitely do your own analysis. More and more you analyze, more and more balance sheets, P&Ls, cash flows you check out. That's where you're going to get more and more confidence of investing in stock market. If you feel you're tracking a stock, if you feel you're analyzing one stock, my personal suggestion is buy at least one share. So for example, someone was talking about Airtel. You feel Airtel would do good, do your analysis, step number 1. Step number 2, invest at least one share. So you'll be tracking that share very closely, okay? So that's where your analysis becomes more and more up to date, right? Great, so that's it from my side, guys. Enjoyed a lot, and thanks for joining in at such a short notice. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and Parthiv. Short investment suggestion for 1 to 2 months. I never give 1 to 2 month suggestions. It's always a 1-year suggestion. Any of the stocks which I had discussed right now. The latest one being Polycab, which I had discussed in my Pro Investor membership. But do your own analysis. I have discussed about Polycab in detail in my video. Parthiv, I would suggest first watch that video, then do your analysis, then decide. Okay. So yeah, that's it from my side, guys. Jai Hind and bye bye.